Welcome to the example I told last time. I thoroughly explained all I told last time in class number 31 will be applicable now. Just make a note. Same example. I told these 190 are the maybe can be reactions. You never bother because you already know how to find reactions. Now, what I will do is, first I will go for a systematic and fully thorough explanation. First in this class. So this is class number 32. Next, I will put one more class for this one. There I will tell the easiest method. That is what way we are going to get SFBM. When we draw SFD BMD, I will tell. But remember, thorough understanding is very important. People who think, I want short trick, I want shortcut, this long all not required. My class is not for them. Of course, even they will realize later that why all these explanations are required. So those who are serious, I am repeating from beginning, for them I will explain everything so that absolutely there is no doubt or confusion in future when you get a point load or when point load comes where shear post twice, where couple comes BM twice. See, now, so many things told last time that all you have to remember now, go through again and again through class number 31. For that matter, right from class 1. See, 1 minute. Start. First, what we are doing is, we are calculating shearing, post and bending moment at all the points now. See, first, consider A. Note, it is the extreme end. I repeatedly told last time, at the extreme end, whether point load is there or couple is there, it hardly matters. Just one calculation, and I also told you, just one calculation is for a cross section slightly inside. So you come very, very small. See, lightly come inside here. See, this way, minutely inside. That is, consider cross section just inside. That is here just to right of A. Actually later you don't have to write. In future when you go to SFD BMD, I will tell, if you write calculation at the extreme end, it is understood that it is for a cross section just inside. So you don't have to write. The statement of just left or just right, you have to write only for interior points. Okay, start. I want shear post here. Now, before going further, I cannot tell each and every time sign convention. One class very thoroughly I explained. So, I will write here now. When I calculate, deliberately I am not writing sign convention here because there is a limit for everything. People who have no patience to go through earlier classes or study seriously, then I am not bothered about them whether they understand or not. Therefore, I will write here, see, note, shear force, wherever you consider cross section, this is the cross section considered. Left side up, right side down, this is positive. And I told how many times earlier, if you are going to look left side here, for sine also, see left side here. Whereas, if you are going to consider right side here, for sine also, consider right side. I give an example for you. Buy the bus ticket, go to bus stand. Buy railway ticket, go to railway station. Or buy a coupon in this restaurant, take food from same restaurant. Don't go to other restaurant. Sufficient. That much people, for those who are serious, is sufficient. Start now. So if you want, you can write, every time you can write here. So I write here now, shear force at A. See, actually I will write here, left up, dot, dot, right down. No, in future, if I write shear force, wherever I write, this is common. That I will write next time or already told earlier. So, see now, what we will do is, see, you are slightly inside. It is better to look left side. Why? Easier. So if you look left side, there also left side. Answer, it is directly plus 100 kilonewton. Over. Now I am not telling. Shear force means only force, bending moment means force into distance all, and sign convention for bending moment all, everything thoroughly explained earlier. So this is, I told, for those who are serious, go through further. Over. Then over. Now, I will do one thing now. I will just write a note here. See, to understand, I am looking left side. Over. I am looking left side. To understand, don't write later. See, actually, such things you should not write. This is for understanding. Or, I will do one thing now. Or, suppose you look right side. See, suppose you come slightly inside here. See, and look right side. There also, look right side. This is positive. So, answer is minus 90 plus 110. Then plus 80. Those couples are not considered. Shear force means only force. I should not tell again. I am not bothered to calculate. Answer will come once again plus 100 guaranteed. I am not calculating. I told you. I never calculate second time. If it does not come, I usually announce in the class. I will stop the classes. I will stop teaching. Okay, start. Next, shear force over. Next I want bending moment at A. See, you are slightly inside here. See, this distance is so small that if you take 100 into, it is 0.00001, so 0 only. Therefore, remember, even though you are here, actually you are here only. Remember, you are here only, you are slightly inside. See, look this side. Yes, there's a couple. How much? 50. I told end couple, use decide sign based on last time class I told. So it is plus 50. That's all. Plus 50 kilonewton meter. See, I am looking left side. I will do one thing here. Common for bending moment, my sign is sagging positive. I already told. Positive. Sufficient. Or suppose you look right side. See here, look right side. Then look this side. Be careful. Last class I told how to decide sign for a couple which is at the extreme end and also which is in between. I see these extreme end couple you enter in the closing bracket format. I told. Intermediate couple you apply like this and you always put a light line joining here. Why? To show that this couple, even though I wrote here, it is actually acting here. Now, this couple, light line is not possible because already one line is there. Imagine light line. So, this 600 is acting at this point. I told, even though you write there, it is acting here. This couple is acting here. Now I will not tell. Okay, start. Look that side. Means, see there, minus 315. Nobody should ask why minus. And for a couple, there is no distance. So that's earlier I used to write big letters. I will write no into. No, I am not telling that way. It is minus 315. See, plus 90 multiplied by this distance from here to there is, it is 11.5. See, I am not going to write this dot I thought first. But today last I will write dot. You know what is the meaning of that dot. Then minus 110 into 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 9. And then see, 60. I am standing here. See, 60 is this way. Last class so crystal clear told what is the sign for this couple when you find bending moment here. See, this couple, if you are looking from this side, BM is plus. This couple, it is minus. Whereas, if you see from this side, then this couple will give minus negative bending moment. That will give positive. That's why I told never see clockwise, anti-clockwise. So, answer is plus 600. Reason told last time very clearly. Plus, go through it again, plus 600 and then minus 110 into, oh, it's already over. Okay, sorry. This is called print mistake. Okay, already over. 110 already over. So, what is the bending moment here? Oh, there is a mistake here. Not minus 90. Minus 90. Oh, that is a shear post there. Oh, sorry. I was wondering what happened. Cut. Here I am. Sometimes it happens. See, I am seeing shear post there. I am wondering why not into there. Okay, so it is what? 90 into, or first do one thing, in order, minus 315 plus 90 into this distance, already over, minus 110 into this distance, then plus 600, minus 40, see there only, that's all, minus 40, then minus 80 multiplied by here, 80 into 3. I'll check once again now. Minus 315 plus 90 into 11.5 minus 110 into 9 plus 600 minus 40 minus 80 into 3. Yes. See, my calculator is there. I am not going to touch the calculator now. I am just writing the answer. It has to come plus 50 kilonewton meter, because whether you consider left side or right side, for any cross section, bending moment should always come same. Now, over, point A over. See, now, many people, they tell shearing post at A, they tell 0 sometimes. Why? Because they come slightly this side and then tell they include 100. First of all, it is a nonsense statement. Shearing post is maximum at the support usually. They will tell shear post once again becomes 0 at the support. They are telling shear post just to left of A. Just to left of A, first of all, there is no beam. When there is no beam, how you can take a section first of all? So therefore, that just to left and just to right comes only for intermediate points or interior points. This I told last time. Okay, now at A over, now I will go to E, one more support, I will rub band. Note, see now, consider instead of A, I will write now, I will change it later, consider E. Once again, same note, extreme end. Only one calculation for SFBM, all the statement will be same, but numerical value will change. I will remove this one and change it to E now. Okay, ready. Now come to E. As I told, extreme end, only one calculation for both SF and BM. That point load there hardly matters, or couple hardly matters. Class number 31. Here you have to consider there just inside. In the class I will ask students that when you do consider at A, you have to consider just to right. And when you consider at E, you have to consider just to left side. Extreme end. Then I will ask second question. There, this I told you last time, you have to consider just inside. Here, just what? They all will tell outside. No. Both the places just inside. Here, just inside is to right side, just inside is to left side. Then they will understand. Okay, start. Slightly come this side. Okay. Which side you are looking? Any side will do. So I forgot now. Just left. Last time right, I have not underlined. I think better look this side. Therefore, if I look this side, shear post is right side. Here also look right side. See, down is positive. Minus 90. That's all. 90 kilometer. That is, if I look right side, I always write which side is better first. The or is not required. Or is only for understanding. Okay. Or, in case you look left side, answer. You see, you are here. Plus 100, minus 80, minus 110. I am not going to calculate. It is minus 90 kilonewton. Okay, over. Now, bending moment here. Look this side. See, bending moment. You should not see the watch. I told end couple minus 315 kilonewton meter. Oh, sorry. See, this was the last time mark. I forgot to change here. See, no problem. You are looking right side, because why? Easy. When you are suppose in a vehicle, in a bus, If you are very near to the door, get down by that door only. Don't go to front door. Okay. Or just to understand, see here. If you look this side, I wrote already. Now onwards I will do one thing now. Before I start, I will write and come. See, because I don't have to prove to anybody that sometimes people think, oh, if you write earlier, maybe he is having confusion. He wrote. No, my student know it. If I write earlier, it is to save the time. They know it. Therefore, start. But see, I am not seeing here first of all. Here I am not seeing. Bending moment, look this side. Plus 50. Why plus? Class 31. Plus 50, no into. Plus 100 into 11.5 minus 80 into 8.5. Then plus 40. See, I told you. Plus 40 minus 110 into 2.5, and also when I stand here, this is minus 600. Not calculating, I got confidence, it is 315 kilonewton meter. If answer is not tallying, only chance is that there is a calculation mistake. That's all. Technical mistake is impossible, I told. Over. This is the answer. Okay, now most important at B, C, D. Now just those who are serious, see one thing now. Just I will tell you once again now. Why you should never see clockwise, anti-clockwise for bending moment. People telling clockwise bending moment, anti-clockwise bending moment. Not all. People are, I pity them for lack of what concept. Bending moment, actually sagging and hogging. What is that clockwise bending moment, anti-clockwise bending moment? So sometimes people tell left side, if you start from left to, if you come from left to right, nobody is coming from left to right. If you are bending moment here, you stand here. What is that coming from left to right, right to left? They are telling calculation. Okay, no problem. So what you do is bending moment you require. You find based on nature. Now just to understand correctly, see, when I find bending moment here, see, this was plus, this was minus, this was plus, that was minus. See now, whereas when I find bending moment here, see what happened is, that was still plus only, but see here, which was last time minus from this side, now same it is plus here. And this 600, which was plus for this side section, now it is minus for this side section. That's why never use the word clockwise, anti-clockwise for bending moment. Okay, hope it is clear. Okay, now you got 315. Now, critical at B, C, D, I will write here, and I will first write at B. I will write everything here. I will explain. While writing, I will not see here. I will see only the beam. Okay, I will make ready. Now, consider B. See, note, there is point load at B. At B. There is point load at B. And also, what? Also, B is interior point. B is interior point. That is again important. B is an interior point. Therefore, interior point, if point load is there, shear force calculation twice. Class number 31. And then at B, bending moment calculation. What you do? You see whether couple is there. See, shear force twice is due to point load. Bending moment twice is due to couple. So I will tell now only, once for all. At B, only point load. Therefore, shear force twice, bending moment only once. At C, there is couple. I will write next time, but won't explain once again. At C, there is couple. Therefore, bending moment will be twice. Twice means once just to left, once just to right. But whereas shear force only once. And at D, there is a point load and couple, both are there. And again remember, B, C, D are all interior points. Okay. Then, therefore, shear force is twice because of the point load and bending moment is twice because of couple. At A and E, point load couples are there. Still only one calculation because extreme ends come slightly inside. Over. I think furthermore if I explain, some will start complaining. He is telling same thing again and again. How many times? I will tell in my class, if someone tells that way, I will tell 1,000 times, keep quiet. I will tell how many times I want. Your duty to listen and understand, not comment on the way I teach. Actually, first of all, nobody will tell that way. Start. Now, come to B. Shearing force twice. See, what you have to do is, first, I already told you, you can make a note. Twice means once just to left side, once just to right side. Now, which one first? Sometime doubt comes. Usually, you come to the point here. Sometime I will tell you, people will tell, once find shear force without load, once find shear force with load. No, wrong concept. Not that way. There is no statement like once find shear force without load, once find shear force with load. You decide which side you are considering. Then from that side, consider all the forces. So, I think B is near to left side. So, it is better to look left side. See, you write here, I had decided to look left side because I am very near to left side. So, B. So, if you are looking left side, better what is, first find what is shear force just to left of B and then just to right of B. Both the calculation look left side. Both you look left side only. R is if you look right side. So, I told you, this R is only for understanding. See, R means don't think that 2-time calculation. R is if you are looking left side, you get the answer. Instead of left side, if you look right side, or instead of right side, if you look left side, what to do? That is R. It is not just left, just right. Okay, start. Just left side. Here, see, you are slightly here. Look this side. Plus 100. That's all. If I look left side. Now, or in case you look right side, only for understanding. See, you are here now. You are where you are now. You are just to left of B. If you look right side, you can see this load also now. See, start from there. Minus 90 plus 110 plus 80, 100% answer will come plus 100. I am not going to show going to bother about the calculation. Okay, now calculate shear force just to right of B. See here, just to right of B. I think still better look left side. See, then now you can see this load. See, plus 100 minus 80. I wrote here plus 20, look left side. Or curiosity, when you go to just to right of B and if you look right side, it is minus 90 plus 110. Not going to calculate. It is plus 20 kilonewton. Same answer. Okay, shear force over. Now bending moment. Bending moment, there is only one calculation. Therefore, no just to left, no just to right. You correctly come to the point B. See, finger is here now. No left, right. I think anybody will tell looking left is better. Therefore, plus 50 plus 100 into 3. Answer is plus 350 kN meter. Now, curiosity, look that side. Minus 315. Now, I am not going to explain sines all because how many times I have tell it. Minus 3, finger I am not removing. Minus 315 plus 90 into 2 plus 4, 6, 8.5 minus 110 into 6 plus 60, very thoroughly told last time, plus 60 minus 40 is the answer. It will come same plus 350, my guarantee. It has to come plus 350 kN meter. Okay, now we are going to point C and D. Actually, this is the most important because these two are bending moment under a couple, two calculations. So, last 2 points, this is important for couple. This is double important because shear force also twice, bending moment also twice. Okay. Now Now I'll go to C, then D. See, when I go to C, what I will write is, I won't explain once again. There is a couple at C. Because of the couple at C, bending moment twice. But there is no point load here, so shear force only once. Next, lastly I will tell, when I go to D, I will write before I start, but I won't explain once again. At D, there is a point load is there, so because of the point load, shear force twice. Somebody asked bending moment. I told because of point load, shear force twice. Then couple also is there, so because of the couple, bending moment twice. Just to left and just to right. Which one first? Whichever side is comfortable, that one first. Other side, other one afterwards. Okay. Start. Now, next point is consider C. Note, there is a couple at C. I already explained BM calculation twice, SF only once. So SF only once. See here, only once. If I look left side, plus 100 minus 80 plus 20. Or if I look right side, minus 90 plus 110. How much answer? Plus 20. Over. I should not explain too much. Over. Now, bending moment. First time in my class, I am telling you how to find bending moment under a couple. When the couple is at interior point. See, that is important. The point is an interior point. Already couple is here, but there only once. See, now you have to find BM twice. That is just to left and just to right of C. Doubt comes, which one first? Next class when I tell how to arrange the calculation for SFD BMD, I will tell more systematically. Today's class is for thorough understanding. I will tell more easier method. Somewhat the trick will come once again there. I will tell a trick at that time. So therefore, see, I think at C, whichever side you see, no problem. Why? Both are same. I think left is better. If you see right side, see, you can see double couple, left side, only single couple. So you decide toss. Heads means left side, tail means right side. So tossed. Imagine heads came, so left side. Just like that. Anyway, I am writing both correct. See, now, bending moment at C twice. Once, just to left of C. See here. Remember now, this couple I told repeatedly for you, even though I write here, it is actually acting at this point. So, when you find bending moment here, if you look left side, the couple you cannot see because couple is acting here. Whereas, when you consider just to left of C, if you look right side, then this couple you can see acting here. Very, very careful. Now only I will tell you once again. Okay, let me finish first, then I will tell. Okay, start. Bending moment C, just to left, see, this way. Because couple is this side now. I am actually where slightly to left of C means I cannot see the couple. See, cover it. Plus 50 plus 100 into 5 minus 80 into 2. Where is the calculation here? I got plus 390. Now, do one thing. Look, or just to understand, actually, immediately come to next point. This is all today's class. Or is for understanding only. See, or you are here. Look that side. Now see, if you look that side, this couple will come. It will be acting here. But be careful. Sign I told last time, minus 315 plus 90 into 6.5 minus 110 into 4 plus 600, and see, you are standing here, the couple is this way. I told last time, when you stand here, if the couple is this way, I told very clearly last class, minus. Someone will ask, sir, not clear. Not clear means go back to class 31, go through it 310 times, not 31 times. Answer, how much? It is same as that one, plus 390, guaranteed. My guarantee is there, kilometer meter. Now, bending moment come here, just to right side, see. This, don't see this point now. Now this point, if you want to remove this one, pencil mark, you can use pencil mark, remove that one. Now, again, I will look left side. See, now, I am slightly this side. So, when I look left side, You can see the couple because couple is acting at C. So start. Plus 50 plus 100 into 5 minus 80 into 2 and then see here this way plus 40. Very clearly told last time why plus 40. Answer is plus 430 or find BM here. Just to understand, look right side. If you look right side, then couple is acting here. You cannot see. It will be minus 315 plus 90 into 6.5 minus 110 into 4 plus 600. Without doubt, answer is, suppose I told if any answer is not tallying, maybe when I multiply by distances, something wrong in the calculation. Maybe see 4 plus 2.5 plus 2, 8.5. By mistake, if I tell 7.5, error. Technical error is different. Calculation or writing error is different. Over. Now see. Now, lastly, everything over now. Come to D, closing part of today's class. Come to C. I will write a note and then explain. Lastly, C. Okay, the last point, D. See, written. Consider D. Very important because there shear force is twice and also bending moment twice. In the today's entire class, this is the most important. Now, at D, actually, when you solve later, these statement all you don't have to write. Simply find, that's all. At D, there is point load. Because of a point load, shear force twice. Also at D, there is couple. Because of that one, BM twice. And at D, it is better to look right side. Whether you want shear force bending moment just to right of D or just to left of D, you look right side only. Sometimes I have seen people telling, when you want just to right side, look right side. When you want just to left side, look left side. No. Look whether you want just to left of a point or right of a point. Look whichever side is easier. That's all. Slowly you will understand one by one. Start now. And one more thing I forgot now. See, I already came earlier. I forgot to change this C to D. 1 minute I explained. Then suddenly I realized that it was actually D. I forgot to change it to D. So in today's class or any class in future, when I tell at D, my finger will be here. By chance, previous calculation, some C or E is there. If I forget to change, you change it. I told these are all called print mistake. I will tell at D means it is D. Sometimes it happens. There is a limit. I cannot go through each and every A, B, C, D like that. But usually I will be careful. So this, what happens is, when you do successive calculation, when you rub and make a new one, some A, B, C, D, some by chance may be skipped. Then change it. Okay, start now. See, at D, better look right side. So, since you are looking right side, first to find just to right of D. See, just right of D. Start. Shear force. Look this side. You cannot see point load now. Minus 90. That's all. Over. Or, when it is just to right side, if you look this side, plus 100, minus 80, minus 110, 100%, same answer, minus 90 kilonewton. Then, shear force just to left of D. Don't see this one now. Here. Later you mark it here. Look right side. Minus 90 plus 110 plus 20. Or, if you look this side, plus 100 minus 80. That's all. Answer is plus 20. This is not important now. Our important is here. Start. BM. Once again, twice. We decided to look right side. That is, whether you are just to right of D or left of D, you are looking right side. Last time I will tell, the couple, even though you wrote here, it is actually acting here through D. So therefore, if you go slightly to right side, then you see, you cannot see the couple. Whereas if you come just, if you go slightly to right side, and if you look this side, you cannot see the couple. But if you go slightly to right side, and if you look this side, you can see the couple. And when you consider just to left of D, if you look right side, see the couple is acting here. So If you look right side, you can see the couple. Whereas if you look this side, when you come to just to left of D, this couple you cannot see. This will again and again come later. I will more thoroughly explain. Today you just understand to maximum possible. Start now. BM at D, we decided look right side, just to right of D. See, minus 315 plus 90 into 2.5. Answer is minus 90. I got. Or just to right of D, look this side, curiosity, plus 50 plus 100 into 9 minus 80 into 6, then plus 40. Now you can see the couple, see, minus 600. Why minus? I told, looking from here, it is minus 600. Without bothering, minus 90 kilonewton meter. Okay, now, shear force just to left of D. See here. Look this side. Minus 315 plus 90 into 2.5. Since you are just to left of D, your couple is acting here. You can see the couple. See. Plus 600. Class number 31. Very thoroughly explained. Go through it again. Answer is plus 510. Or when you are just to left of D, see here. If you look this side, the couple is somewhere this side now. See, couple is here. So, if you look this side, plus 50 plus 100 into 9 minus 80 into 6, then plus 40. That's all. I'll calculate. First time I'll calculate. See how I'll calculate. Plus 510. I have not calculated. I just hit the calculator. Over. This will complete this example. Now, in class number 33, what I will do is, I will explain this one. Actually, it will take not even half the time. How during SFD BMD, you have to show the calculation. I will tell you, for SFD there, usually, you slowly come from this side. And I will tell a trick for you, how draw SFD without using any calculation. Then, BM also, I will tell how to write easiest way or the tricks in the next class, where this or I will not write. How much is required, I will write that much only in next class 33. That is, I will upload as early as possible. Okay. Thanks to all who watched and thoroughly gone through and also understood, or all those who have patience to listen up to this statement. Thank you all.